Puffers and blowers, welcome to the Ablaze Mix Hookah channel. Now today we're gonna talk about the harsh coughing, choking, whatever people call it. So of course it's hookah morning. We have coffee, and of course we have soccer. So soccer, hookah, coffee. Now, oftentimes people said the hookah is too harsh, or the hookah is cause me to cough, and all of those stuffs. Now, if you look at this, you see where you have smoke built up in the hookah there. Now, if there's too much smoke inside the hookah itself, that is one of the things that causes you to cough. Or you can say hookah is too harsh, or you can say, oh, your hookah is choking me because there's too much smoke inside the hookah itself. Now, this is one of the reasons why we have what we call the blow-off valve. Now, this is the blow-off valve right here. Right? So if there's too much smoke built up inside here, that can cause it to cough or choke or seems too harsh, then this is what the blow-off valve is for. The blow-off valve is for you to blow out the smoke. See, now there's all the smoke is gone. So once you keep pulling, and the smoke built up, if you don't want the hookah to be too harsh, then of course you use the blow-off valve itself to get the smoke out. And then that will, of course, allow you to have a smooth smoking throughout whatever period of time you're smoking the hookah for. But definitely, you don't want to have too much smoke built up inside here. The blow-off valve will help you to get the smoke out, so you can have a smooth smoking. So that's one of the things that causes the hookah to be harsh, or causes it to choke or cough a lot. So definitely, when you're smoking after every 3 or 4 pull, probably up to a maximum of 5 pull, you get the smoke out. And that will allow you to continue to enjoy smoking your hookah throughout the periodic time. So, puffers and blowers, it is not that difficult, and is not one of those things where you can think that, okay, oh, my hookah is not pulling good, my hookah is not smoking good because I keep coughing or I keep choking. This is the reason why you cough and choke. Too much smoke inside the hookah. Every 3 or 4 pull, you blow it out. Here we go. Get the smoke out, and then you can continue to enjoy your hookah. So definitely, is that a big thing? A lot of people complain about it, or a lot of people talk about it sometimes. Even when you're at the lounge, or even if you're smoking in person, people oftentimes say, oh, I don't like you smoking hookah too much, or I cough too much, it chokes me too much. That's the main reason. Too much smoke is inside the hookah here. So puffers and blowers, remember to subscribe, share, comment. I would like to hear some of you guys comment on what you think about the Ablaze Mix hookah channel so far. You know, share your comment. Let us know what you like or what you don't like, or let us know some of the concerns that you have in general, so we can give you the answers as to what your questions are. So for now, puffers and blowers, like, share, subscribe, and we'll give you more content on a daily basis or every other day, so you can have a wonderful enjoying experience of smoking hookah.